are gonna make our delicious, famous Italian burgers.
Beef and pork burgers.
Which we will show you how to make. Bellissimo!
Okay, what's the first rule of cooking?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands properly.
Whoa!
Sun-dried tomatoes, basil, mozzarella, the finest balsamic vinegar, Italian olive oil, I think they're all Italian, aren't they? The Aberdeen Angus beef mince, lean British pork mince. First, we need to chop up everything.
It's milk. Who wants free milk? Is it milk though? No.
We've chopped up all the ingredients. Green, white and red ingredients to go with the Italian flag. Now, I have beef and I have pork. These are Italian burgers. Let's get to it. First, we start with pepper and salt. Time to swap. An extra for good luck. Now we are going to put in the olive oil and the balsamic vinegar. It's like wine. Oh, smell the basil, the sun-dried tomatoes and the mozzarella. Now we pick up everything and put it all in the bowl and smush it all up with our hands. Oh god, this is a lot of basil.
There's a lot of stuff on.
Oh god.
I know, it's so gross. Do you want to see my secret move?
It looks so yummy, but you can't eat it, you know what I mean? Then, once it's all smushed, we put it in one of those metal thingies and then we flatten it down. Do your hands feel nice and wet?
About, but I think they'll be more wet once I get it in.
Hey!
Are we gonna use all that meat?
Always wash your hands after you've touched raw beef or raw any meat. Now a good tip is to press down in the middle. While the burgers are cooking, I've prepared a brioche bun and some coleslaw to go with the burger. Bellissimo! That's my line! Anyway, it is bellissimo.
It's my line!
Buns are good. Delicious. If you haven't already, check out our cookie video.
Bye.
See ya. Have a nice day. Or whenever you're watching it.
Yes.